Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel Beauty That Inspire. This is your friend Anjum here and I finally bought the mic. I've been searching for a good mic like for a year और सच बताऊँ मैं बहुत confused थी कि कौन सा लूँ कौन सा नहीं लूँ and there were so many things that happened in my life. I became pregnant and things get little complicated. उसकी वजह से मैंने नहीं लिया and finally I am back on YouTube and I am going to be consistent here. Yeah, I'm just so excited and I hope this is a good mic because इससे पहले मैंने एक और mic खरीदा था and that was horrible. Like it did nothing. Like उसमें कोई noise cancellation. Thankfully जिसे लिया था उसने वो वापस ले लिया और मैं उसके बदले ये वाला mic लेके आई हूँ. So let's unbox with me the new mic.